A courtroom that had waited decades for answers finally heard something many families thought they might never see: a serial killer admitting responsibility and facing the people whose lives he shattered. On Wednesday, convicted Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole, bringing a dramatic chapter to one of New York's most notorious murder investigations. But for the families of the victims, the sentencing was about far more than a prison term. It was a chance to confront the man they say stole their loved ones and changed their lives forever. Several relatives delivered emotional statements directly to Heuermann during the hearing. Jasmine Robinson, cousin of victim Jessica Taylor, told the court that no punishment could ever make things right. Melissa Bartlemy's sister, Amanda Feinberg, spoke about receiving a disturbing phone call from Heuermann shortly after her sister disappeared. Looking toward the convicted killer, she expressed the hope that he would suffer for the pain he caused. Heuermann, a 62-year-old Long Island architect, pleaded guilt earlier this year for murdering 7 women and admitted responsibility for an 8th victim. Many of the victims were young women who disappeared between 2000 and 2010. Several worked as sex workers, and some of their remains were later discovered along Ocean Parkway near Gilgo Beach on Long Island. The case became one of America's most closely followed unsolved mysteries. For years, investigators struggled to identify a suspect. The story inspired documentaries, books, podcasts, and widespread public fascination as families continued searching for justice. The breakthrough finally came when investigators reopened the case and connected Heuermann to evidence collected over many years. Authorities say DNA evidence, cell phone records, vehicle information, and computer files ultimately linked him to the killings. Prosecutors also revealed they discovered what they described as a detailed blueprint related to the murders on his computer. During the sentencing, family members spoke about the decades of grief they have endured. Some victims' children described growing up without their mothers and wondering for years what had happened. Others spoke about guilt, unanswered questions, and the lasting impact of the crimes on their families. While many relatives said the sentence provides a measure of justice, they also emphasized that no court ruling can restore what was lost. Their comments reflected a common theme throughout the hearing: accountability has finally arrived, but the pain remains. The case continues to draw national attention because it highlights both the persistence of investigators and the long road many families face while seeking answers in major criminal cases. It also serves as a reminder that even decades-old investigations can eventually be solved through advances in forensic technology and renewed police efforts. With Heuermann now sentenced to spend the rest of his life behind bars, one of New York's most infamous serial murder cases has reached a major legal conclusion. But for the victims' families, the emotional journey is far from over. This story is still developing, and we'll continue following the latest updates. What do you think about this issue? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Morning America for more news and updates.